Possibly you've heard about the Wealthfront and also you've heard about Capital One 360. And now you're wondering which one is the best, like which one should you go for or not. Now today we're going to be discussing about these two platforms, these two banking system, and which one am I going to be choosing as the best. Let's talk about Wealthfront and let's talk about Capital One. Now Wealthfront is an automated investment service that offers a suite of financial products, primarily focusing on investment management, and it also uses modern portfolio theory and algorithm to manage clients' portfolio. Now, Wealthfront also offers, cash management accounts, financial planning tools, and personalized advice. Now, its main draw is its hand-off investment strategy, and also they have low fees and tax loss harvesting. Now, on the other hand, here we have Capital One 360, which is the online banking division of Capital One, and it also offers a range of banking products, including checking and savings accounts and CDs, certificates of deposit, and also credit cards. Now the platform is known for its user-friendly online banking interface, competitive interest rates, and no-fee banking. Now Capital One 360 combines the convenience of online banking with the security and backing of a major financial institution. Now let me go ahead now and talk about the detailed comparison between the Wealthfront and the Capital One 360, so you can use this to understand better the features of each one and the best in each of them. So with this, we're able to come up with the best between each of these banking system. Now let's talk about the primary service focus. When it comes to Wealthfront, the Wealthfront primarily focus on automated investment management, using algorithm to create and maintain portfolio tailored to individual risk tolerance and financial goals. It is designed for those who are looking to invest with minimal efforts and receive personalized advice through technology. And on the other hand, we have Capital One, which is an online banking service which provides traditional banking products such as checking accounts, saving accounts, and also certificates of deposits. Now, it's designed for everyday banking needs with a focus on convenience and no fee. Now, which one is the best between both in the aspect of the primary service focus? Now, this depends on user need. Okay, if you're looking for investment management, Wealthfront is ideal. But if you're looking for comprehensive banking service, then Capital One 360 will be much better. Talking about the product range, Wealthfront's product range include, automated investment accounts, cash management accounts, financial planning tools that provides projections for future savings and retirement goals. All right. While the Capital One 360 offers a broader range of banking products such as the 360 checking, okay, 360 savings, and also certificates of deposit, and also varieties of credit card. All right. Also, they cater for different financial needs. So the best between when it comes to product range is the Capital One 360 because it's has extensive varieties of banking services compared to that of Wealthfront. Talking about the fees, although Wealthfront is going to tell you that from the beginning they do not charge, all right? Like meaning you are not going to be paying any fee, okay, no account fees, but you're still going to be charged 0.25% annual management fees for investment accounts, okay, and there are no trading fees and the cost structure is straightforward. All right, so there are no trading fees, the cost structure is straightforward. But that of Capital One 360 is known for its no fee structure, okay, so on checking and savings account, so it makes it very cost effective for regular banking activities. So between both, I'm still going to be choosing the Capital One 360 because it has a no fee banking services at all. Now, talking about the minimum balance requirement, when it comes to the Capital One 360, they do not have a minimum balance requirement for most of the accounts, so it makes it accessible for everyone. Why, when it comes to the Wealthfront, you're still going to be required $500 minimum balance requirements to open based on my research. Okay, so this can be a little bit of barrier for those who are just starting out. All right, so in this aspect, I still like the Capital One 360 because they have no minimum balance requirements. Talking about the interest rates, the Wealthfront offers competitive interest rates, okay, on its cash accounts, typically higher than traditional banks, due to its online only, model, right? But that of the Capital One 360, they also offer competitive interest rates on savings accounts and CDs. All right, and rates can be more attractive compared to brick and mortar banks. All right, so when it comes to these in the aspect of interest rate, well, both can be comparable, okay, depending on the current rates which are offered by each of the banks. All right, now let's talk about ease of usage, because when it comes to Capital One 360, they feature a user-friendly interface which with easy navigation for all banking needs, including transfers, bill pay, accounts management, okay, and several others. And when it comes to Wealthfront here, they have a user-friendly interface designed for ease of navigation and simplicity in managing investment and financial planning. Right, so the best between both is a tie because both platforms are highly rated for ease of usage. All right, now let's talk about mobile functionality. The mobile app functionality with the Wealthfront, the app focuses on investment tracking, account management and financial planning tools, which allows users to monitor their portfolios and also set financial goals. But right here in the Capital One 360, the comprehensive mobile banking features, including mobile deposits, bill payments, money transfers, and ATM locator. So it provides a full banking experience on the go. So when it comes to the best in these, when it comes to mobile app functionality, I'm still gonna go with the Capital One 360 for the broader banking capabilities. All right, talking about customer service, we all know that Capital One offers robust customer service through multiple channels, including phone support, live chat, and extensive frequently asked questions section. But with the Wealthfront also, they provide online support and also limited phone support. All right, they focus more on digital customer service. So in this aspect, I'm still gonna go with the Capital One 360. It's still a good one to consider for that. Now let's talk about the ATM access. As you know, Wealthfront does not provide ATM access as their primary focus is an investment platform. So at the time of creating this video, so the Capital One 360, they offer free access to a large network of ATMs nationwide, and they make cash withdrawals convenient. All right, now talking about financial planning tools, then Wealthfront offers advanced financial planning tools, including retirement planning, college saving planning, all right, and also a part tool for personalized financial advice. Okay, and compared to Capital One, all right, they provide basic financial management tools and insight, but it's less comprehensive than the Wealthfront offering. So in this aspect of financial planning tool, I'm gonna go with Wealthfront as the best because they have advanced financial planning tools. Talking about account protection, Wealthfront investment accounts are protected by the SIPC insurance, which covers up to $500,000, including $250,000 for cash claims. Right. So, but when it comes to the Capital One 360, then the bank accounts are protected by the FDIC insurance, so covering up to $250,000 per depositor per bank. So when it comes to these, talking about the best in the aspect of account protection, it's comparable because both banks provide strong account protection. All right, so but maybe possibly the Wealthfront might be a little bit more best in these, but it's still comparable. Talking about the target audience, Wealthfront is ideal for investors who are looking for automated low cost portfolio management with minimal hands-on involvement. Why, when it comes to Capital One 360 target audience, it is suitable for individuals who are seeking a full suite of online banking services without fees. So best in these depends on user needs, okay, investment focus versus banking focus. And let's go ahead and talk about the promotional offers, which is the 13th point I'm going to be discussing here, which Wealthfront occasionally offers promotions such as fee-free management for a certain period for new users. But with Capital One 360, they regularly offer promotions for new account sign up, including cash bonuses and higher interest rates for initial periods. So the best in this can still be Capital One 360 for frequent and varied promotional offers. Talking about investment options, when it comes to Wealthfront, they invest in a diverse portfolio of ETFs across various asset classes, okay, and also providing comprehensive exposure with tax efficient strategies like tax loss harvesting. All right, so as you can see right here, and also when it comes to Capital One 360, they primarily offer savings product and also certificate of deposit with no direct investment product. Okay, so when it comes to these aspect of investment options, I'm still gonna go with Wealthfront because it has several investment options. Okay, and the last point I'm going to be talking about here is the customization and personalization. So Wealthfront, they have a high degree of customization for portfolios based on individual risk tolerance, goals, and time horizon, and also offers personalized financial advice. While that of Capital One 360, they provide standard banking customization such as setting up accounts a lot and preferences, but the lack investment customization. So in these, the best in this aspect of customization and personalization, I'm still gonna go with Wealthfront for the personalized investment customization. Now let's talk about the overall. Now let's talk about what I think, what is my final verdict and what do I think is the best between Capital One 360 and the Wealthfront. Well, my best here is Capital One 360, and the first reason is the versatility, because Capital One 360 offers a broad range of banking services and catering to various financial needs from checking and savings to credit cards and also certificate of deposits. And also the fee structure, the no fee structure for most banking services, it's kind of making it an attractive option for everyday banking without having to worry about maintenance fees. Also, ATM access is another reason why I like this, because the extensive network of fee-free ATMs, enhances convenience for users who need regular access to cash. And also customer service, comprehensive and accessible customer support through multiple channels, ensures help is available when needed. And the mobile application is also a good one and provide full suite. So almost everything you want to enjoy on Wealthfront, you get more or even majority of it from Capital One. All right, so that is why I still go with Capital One 360. So why Wealthfront excels in automated investing and financial planning, Capital One 360 provides a more comprehensive and versatile banking experience, suitable for a broader audience. So that is what I have for you today. And in case you are also watching these, you've watched it to the end and you feel like, oh no, Wealthfront is still better than Capital One 360. Well, we are here to learn. You can let us know your comment, let us know your thoughts in the comment box, and possibly it helps another person, and also I'm able to learn from you. So go ahead, let us know the reason why you feel Wealthfront is still better than Capital One 360. But this is my home verdict. I still go for Capital One 360. Thank you very much for your time. I wish you the best of luck, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.